When it's time to fix a car dent, most owners focus on cost and size. For successful auto bodywork, temperature is the hidden factor. Environmental conditions dictate success and longevity. The science of metal and paint. Vehicles are primarily steel and aluminum, both of which are subject to thermal expansion. Heat makes metal more pliable and easier to reshape. Cold stiffens metal, brittles paint, even minor pressure cracks or chips it. Impact on repair techniques. Paintless dent repair, PDR. This method thrives in warmth. Winter techs use heat guns or infrared lamps to restore paint and metal elasticity. Glue pulling. Extreme temps ruin adhesives. Heat softens glue too much to pull. Cold stops proper bonding. Why environment matters. Variable conditions like direct sunlight or high humidity can cause uneven material expansion or condensation issues. This is why professional climate-controlled environments are superior to DIY outdoor fixes. For a flawless finish, prioritize indoor repairs and pros who master heat control, ignoring temperature risks, warped panels, or ruined paint. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.